All right, back we go. It is February 19th. Back in the market we go, looking at some of these stocks. A lot of runners have cooled off. That's the market. A lot of these newbies don't know that. People just think a lot of these penny stocks move November, December. Like, oh, they're keep running. It doesn't work that way. Like GameStop, a lot of people didn't understand the moves. When things go up like that, they're not going to keep going. People thought, oh, they'll keep going at 6, 7, 800,000. That's possible. It could have happened, but it didn't. Stock trading, it's almost like repetitive, like the weather each day. The morning, sun rises, sun sets at night. They don't understand these moves and patterns. It's all part of a bigger system here. The Dow Jones, the SPY, Nasdaq, and all these penny stocks. They run up and down. Sometimes they're hot. It just depends on the whole environment, the moves. We've been in a hot streak, and now, we're cooling off. We'll see if this is going to be just a cooling off period, or it's a deeper correction, or we're going to bounce next week and maybe stimulus news, something like that. So we'll see on that. WWR. Let's take a look at this. I haven't done this one, I don't think, maybe in a while. October. This one 2 all the way to 14. Big move up. And then we fell all the way back to 4. Big pullback. See, but it didn't pull back all the way to here. Pull back to 4. Then you have your 7 line, 5 line. This thing broke all the way up to 11. Nice breakout. And then we came back. Look where it's holding here at this 7 line. Because that's where resistance was. It became support now. Now we're extremely oversold, almost under 20. I want to see this really hold. It did today, and then we bounced back up. This could be the move here. It's not definite. Nothing's definite. I would look for that next week. And because the move here, see the lows getting higher, another higher move. I could see that happening. 15 million float, 139 million market cap. Operates Diversified Energy Materials Development Company. Lithium, graphite, uranium, vanadium. So you can see the move on this. And we got to retest that and hopefully break that on WWR. Excuse me. AHT. 14 million float, 222 million market cap. No news in this recently. This is Ashford Hospitality Trust Real Estate REIT. Predominantly upscale, full service hotels. This one had a big drop from 55. Look at this. It did a split, but this has been going down. You draw a line right here to here. Look at this line. I could put that back in here. Draw this all the way down. And you draw this up here. See this? And you have a big line here. It can't get over all these years. And then it did break out. And then November, here we go. We got above 450, 550. It came back and forth. These 225 line. Look at this here. Draw a line here. It broke out. And now we're getting above 382 here. So this is climbing up. I like this. I think we're going to test 450 next week. If everything goes well. It's getting to be overbought a little bit on stochastics. But we did climb here. We did bounce 3 times. That's like a triple bottom here. So this is looking good as far as that. And you immediately look for 4 to 450. We'll see what this is doing here. But I like the channel. It's another channel, and I think we break up on AHT. OBSFS. OBSV. 39 million float, 222 million market cap. Tip rank said too strong by penny stocks that could rally over 100%. They're probably referring to this. Clinical late stage bio development and commercialization of novel therapeutics for women suffering from reproductive health and pregnancy. So, this one had a big drop too. This was 20, went all the way down. it came out of this wedge, filled most of the gap halfway, then we dropped again. Then this came back to this like 190 line, and we exploded up with volume 250, 4 all the way to 5 plus. And then see, this is where the dip comes in. This 1320 EMA right here. And then right here again, look at these wicks. They tried to go through, but that's great support here. 13's over your 20. It's not going to go through right away. It's got to at least like bend. If this was coming down more, you could see that, but it didn't happen. So this is moving today. This is a nice move. Pretty nice long. You dip by right here. Big valley, peaks and valleys. This is going to test 5 plus. So we're going towards that. Maybe 450 first right in here. 475, 450. Yeah, so next week this looks interesting. This is going up. You're filling most of this gap, and I think they're going to try to retest this 5 plus on this. 47% institutional ownership, which is good. So we'll see how this one plays out. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Smash the like button. And leave comments about stocks, these stocks, any information, news, notes. Whatever you have is always good because, like any trader, we can't follow every stock. It's almost impossible. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank I. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Heyman Trades. Peace. That is it. Peace.